Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and do this starter on a 2006 Toyota Sienna. The first thing we're going to do is take off this plastic and take off this battery so we can have a better view of the starter. It's in there. So right now we'll see it. Alright guys, so I removed the battery here, some little plastic pieces here. It looks like this box is in the way and some metal pieces, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So far it's a 10mm bolt. Very easy with my little drill. So just gonna take those off. Alright guys, so I'm removing the air filter box. It's just 3 bolts, 10mm. Very easy, just unplugging all the vacuum lines and little plugs that's on here. Once you remove this, you have access to mostly everything. You see the starters right here. So this is what's failing here. So I can actually access everything through this space here, but I'm just gonna remove these 10mm bolts. Make everything easy, you know, just remove everything so it can be a smooth transaction out and then the new one right back in. So as you can see, I removed the 10mm bolts and this is removed, this little bracket support. Look at all this space now, so it's easier. Alright, so there was this clip. I removed this clip here. This is a 12mm bolt. 1, 2. We're going to go ahead and remove these real quick. Alright guys, so in there is a 14mm bolt. There's 1, and then 2. We're going to go ahead and remove those from the inside. Got my drill with the extension. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed the 14mm bolts. Should just come out. Let's see. Came out. This is what the starter looks like once it's out. 2 bolts. I'm gonna get the old one. Make sure that the new one matches. It aligns, the bolts are the same. Everything looks good. This one here is original. This is the aftermarket. At AutoZone it was $180, and this one I got it on eBay for $50. I'll leave you a link on the description on the bottom below so you can get charged for $50. So you just go ahead and push in the new one back in. Put the 14mm bolts on the side, lock them in, and just do everything reverse. Don't let someone charge you $300 for this installation or this replacement of the starter. It's very easy. Save yourself some money. You gotta learn, you gotta buy a little bit of tools, but it's worth it. Do everything yourself. Everyone, you know, is trying to make money. These mechanics are trying to make a lot of money, so don't let them fool you. Alright? Alright. Thank you guys for listening. Please subscribe to my channel as I bring you the latest and greatest resources to better your life.